The perfect holiday appetizer does not exist until now. This is a vol au vent, or a puff pastry cup that is filled with herbed savory cream cheese and topped with MOWI smoked salmon. And you don't have to be a French pastry chef to know how to make it, because you can cheat by using puff pastry that's already in the supermarket. So go ahead and open up the puff pastry, place it out flat, and we're going to be cutting circles using a cookie cutter that's round, but also a smaller version for the side walls. And here's how it works. We're going to go ahead and cut the large ones first, and on half of them, we're going to cut a small one. This ring is going to be placed on top of the large one. But first, we're going to go ahead and brush it with some egg, and that's going to be our glue. Now carefully place the ring on top of it. We're going to use a fork to poke some holes in the center of the circle, and that's so that the bottom part does not puff up like the sides do. Okay, let's pop these into the oven, and out they come out. Now, notice how the center part is kind of puffed up as well. Not a problem. While it's hot, you can use a finger to gently push in, revealing a cup. We're ready to fill up our puff pastry cups, and for that, we're going to be using some whipped cream cheese, chives, a little bit of lemon juice, and we could place this in a piping bag or a resealable plastic bag. Snip the corner and start filling up all of the cups one by one. Now for the smoked salmon, we want to use a good quality smoked salmon. After all, this is a nice, elegant dish. For that, I'm using MOWI Atlantic smoked salmon. As you can see, it is marbled, perfectly thinly sliced. We can top it on top of our puff pastry cups. For the toppings, we're going to be using some capers, pomegranate seeds, chives, or anything your heart desires. Beautiful, gorgeous puff pastry cups, perfectly married with the smoked salmon and the cream cheese. These are going to be a hit. And if you come to my next holiday party, I'll be serving these, guaranteed.